This is one of the cheapest portable head units I could find on Amazon with good ratings. And I'm honestly kind of surprised with the packaging. Open it up and check it out. It's surrounded by a bubble wrap. This is the first time for me, and I've done a lot of these units. Pop it open and there's the head unit. That's so freaking sweet. I really like how they did that. And there we have it. So this is a non-intrusive portable head unit. I could keep on going on about it, but I have a whole checklist of things I want to go through. So let's go ahead and review this and see if it's worth the money. So the unit only came with this mount with 2 adhesives, or you could just drill it in, but no way am I ever going to drill anything to my dash. For demonstration purposes, I installed the suction cup mount from the other unit, and with suction cup, it goes on just like that, pretty simple. Comes with a power cord, aux, and a backup camera. This unit does use a USB-C charger, which is good to see, especially at this price point. Plugs into a 12-volt outlet, and when it lights up, you know it's getting power. Now plugging the unit in the back, on the bottom plug. Let's see how fast it boots. Should be a pretty simple operating system, and it opens up right away, which is what I expect, which is a simple system. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, phone link, and audio output. So phone link is probably going to be, yep, AirPlay, go home. And then we can slide to the right. We have Bluetooth music, SD, and rear camera, which is off right now. I will not be permanently installing this camera to the car. If you want the backup camera to work whenever you back up, you want to link this to your rear taillight, which I'll link a video down below for your convenience on how to do that. But for now, I'll just show you quickly the quality of the camera. I think that is what I would expect from this price point of a unit. I think it looks okay. Definitely would not be acceptable at a more pricier price, in my opinion. We can go back. We have Bluetooth and settings, which we can go on the factory reset, basic setup, touchscreen calibration, whatever. EQ settings, which is interesting at this price. Language, time setting, background. I like that one. Oh, this one's nice. I like that one. And we can change the brightness. That's the brightest, and this is the dimmest it can get. Go home. Now let's connect to Apple CarPlay. Grab your phone, go to Bluetooth, connect to CarKit 1E97. Go ahead and pair, allow, see how fast it connects. It automatically started to say connecting, so that's pretty quick already, I think. And here we are. Of course, that's navigation, has all the normal creature comforts of Apple CarPlay, whatever. Let's see the responsiveness. Not too shabby, it's definitely a little laggy. I think that's okay, not bad. So we can either go home by pressing this or press this little button here and press home. Now let's do the audio output. So let's go on audio. We're currently on local horn, as in weird thing to say. The audio will come straight from the head unit itself, so let's see how that sounds. Go back to CarPlay, play some non-copyright music, turn the volume up. Definitely not the best, but that's definitely not why you're getting one of these head units. Let's go ahead and check the other audio setups. Let's go on aux, confirm, let's go home, Apple CarPlay. Now playing. I say that sounds pretty good. No complaints here. Let's pause that. Let's go home. Let's change the audio output to FM transmission. That's probably what most of y'all might be using. Confirm. We're going to be at 97.1, pretty responsive. I think it sounds good. At higher volumes, the aux sounds better. Sounds quite a bit more crisp with the aux. FM transmission, let's go on original Bluetooth form. So we're now going to use the car's Bluetooth, but this car does not have Bluetooth in it. So we'll be using a Bluetooth speaker to mimic a OEM car stereo. So again, turn on your Bluetooth speaker. CarPlay, we're connected to CarPlay. Now we can go to now playing. Now we can press play. That's what you'd expect, right? This is working, OEM Bluetooth is working. I think, honestly, if you have Bluetooth on your OEM system, that's exactly what I'd use. Bluetooth signal's probably gonna be a lot better, for the most part. Some Bluetooth. So now let's see if we unplug the unit and we plug it, if it automatically connects to Apple CarPlay. Let's turn off the unit and turn it back on. I say that's pretty dang quick. Now let's do a quick phone call and see the mic's quality. So let's go to phone, call my wife, and I'm gonna do an aux. I forgot to connect the aux. Hi.
Oh.
How is the audio quality?
I don't hear it background.
Okay.
The other two I did here.
Okay, interesting. So this is the second cheapest head unit I have reviewed, and the audio quality going to her is pretty good, but the audio quality coming to me through the car, I heard her just fine. It's just, there's like, what do you want to call it, artifacts. Now to finish it all off, of course, we have to do phone link, but we're already connected to Apple CarPlay, so let's disconnect Apple CarPlay. Do that, go to your Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth, and forget this Bluetooth device. My second time trying to connect, and it's unable to connect. For some reason, I just cannot connect to it via Mirror Play, probably because the price point, the Wi-Fi isn't super steady on here, keeps going away and coming back. It gets the job done. It does. And if you want to like buy a cheap unit just to see how Apple CarPlay works, not a bad way to go. If you want to use it strictly for music and navigation, not too bad. Aux sounds fine. And if you're doing Bluetooth, that's the best way to do it. And of course you get that backup camera. So you get a lot of stuff at a pretty good price. If you do want it, I'll have it linked down below for convenience. But if you want to see this compared to something that's $100 more expensive, check out this video. This is Chris, always appreciating Spectrum Another. I'm doing these videos for y'all to hopefully find the best portable, non-intrusive head unit out there for its price. See you next time.